Hello YouTube. Hey, how you guys and gals doing out there? Big shout out to our subscribers, viewers, you name it. Really appreciate it, guys. This right here is an Axial Wraith. This one's been in the ocean. Would not do that again. It was kind of by accident, but you know, hey, things happen. Been doing a lot of work on it since then. We'll be doing actually some bearing upgrade on it because it's got some miles on it. See down in here, you got your metal. Oh, it's all steel. We got these bearings for it, and because I'm doing this on an iPad, the camera, I'm going to go ahead and kind of do it like a stop motion sort of thing. Anyways, let's go ahead and just give you a quick view of the rig so you get an idea. It's mostly stock, new motor, different ESC. It's got the waterproof, high-tech servo up there. It's got an Axial, I can't remember what it was. There's something special about the servo horn. It's got bronze counterweights. It's got these bead lock wheels. It's got these flat iron pro lines on here, which are really grippy. Kept breaking drive lines, so I went with these NTG steel drive lines. It's got a new transmission in it. Had something happen in one of these rears. I don't remember what it was. It was when I rebuilt it, I just replaced the diff covers. All right, guys. And so, guys, here we are. It's my front one. It's my rear one. The reason I keep them separate is this is my old transmission here. No, I'm gonna mix up. Hey, here's Elmo saying hi. Hi. What we got going on here, guys? Oops. Uh-oh. Watch me drop this thing off here. Wouldn't that be funny? This looks totally free rolling. Check it out. Look, right? Totally good. This one. What the heck? Did I run over Elmo? Let's see. No. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. So, what I don't like is this transmission. Okay. See little bits of plastic down there? See the dust, bro? See the dust, guys? A little bit of damage. Look at that. Okay, eating the gears. Eating the gears, guys. But it's good mesh here. This part's turning pretty good. The problem is this is not turning so good. In fact, I can't turn my fingers here. I gotta put a tool in here. So there's something binding inside of here. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take this thing apart, see what's up. What's the old up and up inside there? Supposedly this is a brand new tranny, but you know, eBay, yeah. Hey, I'm an eBay seller. I know how it is. Found some bearings that were a little bit suspect. Swapped them out with these. Rotation's a little bit better, a lot better actually. But it still feels like there's a little bit of a binding issue, so we'll go ahead and continue looking at. Don't want to burn up any motors, right? Here we are. Let's find out. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, I adjusted placed a slipper clutch, and I turn it easily with hand. See, it rotates both sides of the transmission. Placed all the weird bearings inside that were kind of acting strange. The other bearings in the front and rear ends seem to be okay, so we'll see how it goes. I should do a live test before I put this back in. I'm just going to put the dust cover, reinstall it, and you know, see how it goes. Here we are. We've rebuilt this everything. We've spun it. I don't feel any problems, any drag in it at all. So you know, there it is. It's turning. I pulled the motor out of it. You see, there's the motor. This is new off of eBay, supposedly. You could have gotten trash at. How are we going to do this? Let's see. Well, oops. Picking little bits and pieces. Good strong magnets in it, guys. But check this out. It is instantly hot. The bearings are just starting to smoke. This is now uncomfortably hot to hold. And can you see that right there? Can you see it? It's not turning true. motor is junk. Trash. So I'm going to reinstall everything without the motor. That way nothing gets lost, and it'll be a roller. It'll be a roller till I get a motor. Better get busy back on eBay, huh, guys? Anyways, it's been real. It's been fun, but you know, this is what part of the hobby is, and you know, just the way it is, guys. Anyways, please give me a like, give me a subscription. Let me know what you think. If this video is helpful to you at all, I won't bore you all by showing you the reconstruction of this thing because I've taken the parts so many times that I've replaced in the parts because I've taken the screws in that so much. Anyways, y'all have a good night. Take care of yourself. Ciao.